Garcia with Stage Drive Roofing. Here we're putting on a solar power fanatic. You can see right here, we're going to go ahead and make a circle here. Here's our little sample. We're going to go ahead and put it right where we want. You always want to put it on the south side facing the beach to get the most exposure of the day. Go ahead and stay tuned in for the rest of the project. With Stage Roofing, here we got the solar power fanatic installed. You can see all the shingles were put back in there. If you're professional, you can just cut into it without damaging the shingles too much. So give us a call today for your free estimate. Thanks.